Hello everyone, this is Sheila. Um, Here I go again. I did this video once and then I showed Betty's address at the end, which is a no-no. So I'm gonna try again. Okay, this is my winnings from Scrappin' Queens of 2013 Dinner and a Movie YouTube Hop, and it was sent by Betty. She sent me a huge box of beautiful things. I'm sorry, Betty, it took me so long to get this video up, but with summer and vacations and company, it just got away from me a little bit. But anyway, this is what Betty sent me. She sent me a huge stack of beautiful papers. I won't go through each paper because there's so many, but they're gorgeous. So, I always can use paper, and I love paper. The next thing she sent was the 6x6 paper pack. I love little vintage children, so this is perfect. Very cute. And she sent some bling. This one's got some pearls and a bird, and I love the dress form and the key. Very pretty. And then she sent some fabric tickets. I've never had any fabric tickets, so this is going to be fun. Very cute. Love that little girl with happy times. And then she sent some bags. I've never had any of these either. These are so cute. I think they'd be great in mini albums. And then she sent a journaling card set, and I love these little boxes that they come in. And some bluebirds. Very cute. And some trims. These are so pretty. And these are really pretty for center flowers or just flowers themselves. I hope I'm not making anybody ill. I'm using my iPhone today because I'm in my camper. And another set of journaling cards. And another set of journaling cards in the boxes. Cute. And some stickers. Very cute. Love the colors. Some more stickers. There's border stickers. So fun. And then there's 2 sheets of alphas. Great. Different colors, different sizes. Wonderful. And then she sent some flowers. Little rosettes. Yellow, pink, and white. And some little quick picks. Very cute. Love those colors too. And polka dot ribbon. Love, love, love polka dots. And some stick pins. Very cute. And some washies. I love washi tape also. See if I can get that better. And some fabric flowers. And these are really pretty. I think these would look great with the Prima dolls on the tags. I love those colors. And then she sent some Petaloo Flora Doodles. Very pretty. There's white. Kind of a blue and purple. They're gorgeous. Some red ones. Very, very pretty. Some pink ones. And this flower I I love the colors. So thank you, Betty, and thank you so much for doing the Scrappin' Queens of 2013 Dinner and a Movie YouTube Pop. It was so much fun. It was so much fun to see everybody's different creativity. It was great fun. Okay, and thanks again, Betty. I appreciate it very much. You sent so much stuff, and it's all gorgeous. So, okay, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.